Many people desire smooth, hair-free skin, especially in sensitive areas. We have more options than ever before. Permanent hair removal can save time and boost confidence. Let's explore the best methods for achieving lasting results safely and effectively. Laser hair removal is a popular choice for long-term hair reduction. This advanced treatment has gained popularity due to its effectiveness and convenience. Many people prefer it over traditional methods like shaving or waxing because it offers a more permanent solution. This treatment uses concentrated light to target hair follicles, inhibiting future growth. The laser's precision allows it to focus on dark, coarse hairs while leaving the surrounding skin undamaged. It's generally safe for all skin types, but consulting a dermatologist is crucial. A professional can evaluate your skin type and hair color to determine the most effective treatment plan for you. They can assess your skin and recommend the best approach. This personalized consultation ensures that you receive the safest and most effective treatment possible. Another professional option is electrolysis. Unlike laser hair removal, electrolysis is suitable for all hair colors and skin types. This method uses an electric current to destroy individual hair follicles. Each follicle is treated one at a time, making it a meticulous process. Electrolysis is highly effective, but it can be more time-consuming than laser treatment. Each session can last from 15 minutes to an hour, depending on the area being treated. Both laser hair removal and electrolysis require multiple sessions for optimal results. Consistency is key, and following the recommended treatment schedule will help you achieve the best possible outcome. Many over-the-counter products are available for temporary hair removal. These products come in various forms, including creams, sprays, and even gels. Each type has its own unique application method and benefits. Depilatory creams and sprays use chemicals to dissolve hair at the surface. They are easy to use and can be applied at home without any professional assistance. Simply apply the product, wait for the recommended time, and then wipe or wash it off to reveal smooth skin. These products can be convenient for quick touch-ups, but may irritate sensitive skin. It's important to read the instructions carefully and follow them to avoid any adverse reactions. Some people may experience redness, itching, or even a burning sensation. Always do a patch test before applying to a larger area. This helps to ensure that you do not have an allergic reaction to the product. Apply a small amount to a discrete area and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Another option is waxing, which involves applying warm wax to the skin and then removing it quickly, pulling hair out from the root. This method can provide longer-lasting results compared to creams and sprays. While effective, waxing can be painful and may not be suitable for very sensitive skin. The process can cause redness and irritation, and it's not uncommon to experience some discomfort during and after the procedure. However, the results can last for several weeks, making it a popular choice for many. Tips for success: maximizing results and minimizing irritation. No matter which method you choose, certain tips can enhance results and minimize irritation. Exfoliate regularly to prevent ingrown hairs. Use a gentle scrub a day or two before hair removal. Always moisturize the treated area to soothe the skin and prevent dryness. Avoid hot showers, baths, or saunas for 24 hours after hair removal to prevent irritation. Sun exposure can also irritate sensitive skin, so apply sunscreen diligently after treatment. Natural alternatives: DIY hair removal with sugar and lemon. If you're looking for a more natural way to remove unwanted hair, this DIY method using simple ingredients like sugar and lemon might be just what you need. For those seeking a natural approach, a simple sugar and lemon mixture can help remove unwanted hair. This method is not only effective but also gentle on the skin, making it a great alternative to traditional hair removal products that often contain harsh chemicals. Combine sugar, lemon juice, and water in a saucepan. The ratio is typically 2 parts sugar to 1 part lemon juice and 1 part water. Stir the mixture well to ensure all the sugar dissolves. Heat until it forms a paste. Keep stirring the mixture as it heats to prevent it from burning. You'll know it's ready when it turns a golden brown color and has a thick, syrupy consistency. Let it cool slightly, then apply to the skin in the direction of hair growth. Be careful not to let it cool too much, as it needs to be warm to spread easily. Place a cloth strip over the paste and press firmly. Make sure the cloth adheres well to the paste for effective hair removal. Hold your skin taut and quickly pull the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. This helps to minimize pain and ensures that the hair is removed from the root. This method, similar to waxing, can be messy, but is a natural alternative to chemical-based products. With regular use, you may notice that your hair grows back finer and sparser, making future hair removal sessions easier and less painful. Conclusion: your skin, your choice. Choosing the right hair removal method depends on your skin type, pain tolerance, and budget. Whether you opt for professional treatments or at-home solutions, always prioritize skin health. Consult a dermatologist if you have any concerns or experience irritation. They can guide